Do you remember this thing? So what we're gonna be doing is setting this car up for winter. Now, I just got my Bridgestone Blizzak tires on the spare set that came with the car when I bought it. I ended up going to Costco for those, and I ended up plasti dipping them white. And I did that way back in the summer when it's actually a little bit warmer out and things stick a little bit better. But I also got mud flaps, I gotta do the ski rack, I gotta put the snow scrapers and the shovels and the rest of the stuff in there. So I picked, of course, a day when it's 20 frickin' degrees out. But I'm gonna go see my buddy who's got a much bigger garage than this one to do it in. And hopefully a little bit more heat. So let's get this thing loaded up. So pretty much everything. Wheels, mud flaps, which, yeah, rally armor, baby. These are the universal ones, so we're gonna figure out how to mount those today. Yeah, shovel, again, washer fluid, stupid stuff, right? Yeah, ski rack, gonna need that. We're gonna have to get tools here in a little bit, but yeah, let's get going. So it's currently, you can see this, 28 degrees according to this thing. Oh my goodness, why?
You're good. Yeah, that's nice space.
Oh yeah, we got room. Why not, you know?
What's that?
I gotta get the wheels out.
Yeah, okay. Oh, you want to like roll it up and then?
Yeah, we're gonna roll it up.
I'm gonna use the rails for something finally.
Yeah, right, be careful they move.
Need this fantasy so I can recognize what's hidden from me. I need this self-esteem so
Yeah? Oh yeah! With the 2 bolts, factory there, and redneck garage with the zip tie back there.
Get it done.
It should work. Alright, wheel goes on.
I need this self-esteem so I can understand this heart that's been bleeding. I need you, baby. It's a faithless road I'm on. I need you, baby, 'cause it's been darkness all along.
So the car's done, wheels are on, mud flaps are on, ski racks, yeah, it's on. I still got to paint the center caps, take it for a drive, and make sure nothing falls off. And then I'll show you the car tomorrow when there's light out, because it's too dark right now. This took far too long. Yeah, let's pull it out. So good. So good. Alright, it's cold. Okay. Oh, center caps are painted. Those are on there. And before we get to the final reveal, some quick specs on the exact setup. So I had 19x9s on there with 245 35/19 tires. I went back to an 18x8, actually the factory set that came off that car, and I'm running now a 235/40/18. So a little bit taller, a little bit skinnier for that Blizzak WS90. Paid about $1,000 for those things to get installed. Kind of steep, but for winter tires, you're actually saving money because you're not going through sets and you actually get better performance and yeah, I don't know, just better. I love doing it. I did it with my Subaru and my STI. Absolutely amazing. When it comes to the Rally Armor mud flaps, they don't have a kit like they used to have kits. Again, for my Subaru, like they just had a metal bracket that was super easy to install. These were a lot more DIY. They're basically just sheets of polyurethane and you got to drill into them and you got to make sure that you align them correctly. And I think we mounted them a little bit too low. I mean, they're low. They're scraping. Not really scraping, but they're close, I guarantee you. But they probably look sick when you're driving. I think they turned out great, even they're a little bit awkward. Ski rack, pretty simple. Any ski rack will work. But I have noticed there is a serious whistle up there. The bike rack wasn't that bad. This ski rack, oh my God. Like you need to, yeah, I got to figure that out because it's horrendous. But everything drives good so far. Nothing's fallen off, so I think that's pretty good. But I guess let's kind of compare and take a look to see where the car is at now. So I thought it turned out overall pretty darn good, if you ask me. Yeah. Mud flaps are a little low, but I like the white color and they're gonna perform pretty well. We just need some more snow. I would probably suggest taking care of your vehicles and making sure that you're prepared for any winter weather, especially if you're in cold markets like I am. And honestly, safety first, especially if you're carrying kids, loved ones, or just yourself. You know, be mindful out there and make sure that you take care of your things. So, let me know what you think. And obviously, as I'm not riding anymore, and this is kind of the new project, videos are gonna start to change a little bit. I think we're gonna get more into some winter vlogs, some snowboarding, some skiing, and some other activities. Still trying to throw some mods in there too, but stay tuned for more, especially with this thing. And yeah, thanks for watching. Remember, keep riding.